and I was dealing with that only. Thanks.
Okay. See, we just took a demo, right? When I just asked everyone, tell me something about your internship. Now, as an audience, you got bored. As a panelist, I had to pay attention, right? These are small, small things that you all need to understand. So, if I were to talk about my internship, if I were to talk about my internship, you are not supposed to talk about what did you do in the internship. You might say that, okay, ऐसा कैसा होगा? अगर internship में जो करा अगर वो नहीं बात किया तो क्या फिर बात करेंगे? You need to tell them what you learned from the internship. So I did my internship with the boutique investment banker. Rather, it was a boutique investment bank based out of Hong Kong. If I were to tell you guys what happened during that, right? So when you are working with a boutique investment banking company, right, you know what things you could have done, right? Possibly. If I were to tell you, I would say that I was really fortunate enough that I was working with the MD of the company. And the biggest achievement or the fortunate moment for me was that we could do an acquisition successfully for one of the Spain company, which is into glass production. And that company was acquired by the Lockheed Martin. I was fortunate enough to lead the accounting department wherein I worked on the FASB, I worked on the Indian International Accounting Standard, which is IAS. My day was so hectic that I could not, I never felt that, I would be able to even sustain investment banking. But I think that was the time for me when I actually understood that what is exactly a rigor for investment banking. And it actually came to my mind that, okay, investment banking is something that actually creates a lot of difference in the world, and why investment banking is way different than the commercial banking or merchant banking or retail banking. I still remember having a cup of tea with my MD, where he told me the best, lesson of my life. Something that is really, really important for me to sustain in investment banking. Something that can help anybody to sustain in investment banking and grow in investment banking. I mean, I still believe that, not only the work that helped me, but the kind of people that have worked in my internship, I was really blessed to have those people. And I think my MD was, though he was my boss, and, a lot of time people moan about their bosses, but I think I was lucky to get my boss as XYZ person. And the thing that he told me, and that thing, I'm very sure I will be applying in my life also eventually. Because he could tell me the success mantra that he himself applied it. What's happening in your mind now? Tell me. What's happening in your mind?
There's a whole story woven around the internship.
So are you inquisitive to know that one thing that he told you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was it?
Exactly. So you were still listening to me. Acha, abhi bolega, baad mein bolega, abhi bolega, baad mein bolega. So I grabbed you. If I tell you, we made Excel spreadsheets, we did the valuation, we were working on the free like cash flow for the company. We were working on US GAAP and we were working on the Europe GAAP. And we were trying to kind of make the changes, and we were trying to speak to the CEO of Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin is the right to, you can say that it's one of the important company for US defense. It's so interesting. So your internship, I just give an example. It's a sort of a demo. You go for IIM Ahmedabad, you go for KJ, you go for GIM, whatever college you go for. You need to tell them that what I've learned from my internship, because we do internship. We believe that we do internship so that हमको आगे जाके job मिलेगा. सामने वाले का perspective अलग होता है. He wants to understand what I've learned from that particular internship. So when you go through your resume, that's an exercise for you all. When you go through your resume, I want you all to put those points out there. कि यार मैं यहाँ पे क्या बात करूँ? So as I said, like in today's live lecture, you have to tell them the story. But in that story, what you need to tell them is something got to be really, you got to be choosy about it. Story बनाने के लिए तो कोई भी बना लेगा यार. Story बताने के लिए तो हम पूरा का पूरा internship में 3 महीने का हम बता सकते हैं, right? But ये चीजें बहुत important है. Like having the dinner with my MD helped me a lot. My last day of the internship was it was like full of surprises. Wherein I was proposed a PPO, something like that. अगला क्वेश्चन आएगा, why did you not take the PPO? Then you have your own story. What did you learn from MD? Then you have this thing. And that's how you kind of drive it. So you told them about Lockheed Martin, you told them about investment banking, you told them about acquisition, you told them about you were leading the accounting team. And they also know that if somebody is working in investment banking, the work has to be really classic. But apart from the work, this guy out here, he has learned it. Again, when you work with people who are from the top level management or middle level management, सामने वाले का एक perception बन जाता है कि हाँ ये बंदे ने कुछ ना कुछ सीखा होगा. So when you leave the room and when somebody else comes in, there is going to be a direct comparison. There is no doubt about it. See, even if you are dating somebody new, you will always compare that person with your ex, whether you like him or you hate her, whatever. It's a very basic thing. As a panel, हम वो करने ही वाले हैं. We will always be judging. अच्छा, you know, last guy was pretty good, yeah. He was pretty good. मेरे ख्याल से उसको मैंने 10 on 10 दे दिया. इस बंदे को मैं 5 on 10 करूँगा. Simple सी बात. I'll kind of put him down. So there are a lot of things that are hidden in your resume that you don't know. And when you say that, I want to join IMA or I want to join Veeam, I want to join Gym, not Gym anyway, or KJ for that matter, but let's say Blackie, I want to join it. I look forward to getting into investment bank. So via boutique investment bank, I've learned that, you know, how the investment banking functions, what are the areas, what sort of personality is required. But now I'm looking for a bigger, you know, kind of a world wherein I would love to work with the top-notch companies in the world, which is Goldman, Deutsche, Morgan, Credit, BofA. You have to justify them that I am saying this is my dream, why it became my dream, why I say that I want to get into branding, why I say that I want to get into PE, VC, private equity, venture capital, IT strategic management, या फिर management consulting, या फिर IT consulting, why I want to get into it. So there needs to be a reason. There needs to be a reason. And now is a time for you all wherein you have a lot of time. I want you all to connect those dots. If you see in my schooling, when I was at school, I was pretty good at X, Y, Z things. Same thing helped me in my graduation. Same thing helped me in my job. Same thing on the basis of which I want to now opt for a career. ये समझा आपको?